Alright guys, so what's in the box? Hold on, you can't see my address. No. This one is UPS ground. And this one is also this came from Canada. It's Canada stuff right here. Alright. Let's see what we got. Oh wait, I have a blade. Quick second. This, come on. Man, god damn it. Can't do this with one hand, or can I? There we go. Okay. Should I get this thing out the way? Don't want to rip the label yet. God damn it. Man, fuck this shit. Nah, whatever. Okay. Get this thing opened. Most people probably won't be surprised on this one. It's just something that you use to power your nitro engines. I ran out of this stuff. Fresh batch of works, 30% nitro fuel. Very nice. This box is probably way more interesting. This came from Canada. Bought it off a guy named Neil Smith from Clockwork Racing. I already have one of his products in my truggy. On that truggy right there, I already have one of his products. That right there is a clock Novarosi with a RB 928 crank. Let me just get stuff out the way. Ah, what the heck? What fell? Whatever. Oh, it's right here. Let's see what this holds. Oh my god. What is this? Toilet paper? What's in here? Woo! Picco Boost. What does that say right there? Made in Italy. Oh my god. Let's see. Look at this shit. So beautiful. Well, just the box. Oh my god, Neo, really? You misspelled my name? Hold on. This is Adrian. A-D-R-E-I-N. Boost 28. Come on, Neil. My name is A-D-R-I-A-N. Okay, whatever. Okay. Let's see what's in here. I mean, we already know what it is, but you know, I guess we want to see the engine, right? Oh, shit. Oh, and here we go. My Novarosi cone rod. I'm gonna replace that. Make another video with that, maybe. And here is the motherfucker. God damn, this fucker is beautiful. Well, let's see. What else is in here? Cool. Little bag. This is all it comes with. I'm going to set this down somewhere. I feel like I got a good angle. Got a good angle. Stuff right here. Shit. Come on. I apologize. Okay, here we go. You guys can see it? Yeah, okay. Man, look at this motherfucker. God damn, this guy has a lot of pitch. Can't turn it. That's insane. Oh shit. God damn, how am I gonna turn this thing over?